Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your reflection was aging faster than your years? Maybe it's the fine lines creeping in around your eyes, or a constant sense of fatigue that won't go away, no matter how much you rest. What if I told you that it's not just time taking its toll? It could be your everyday habits. Yes, the small things you do without even thinking could be accelerating the aging process, both inside and out. In today's video, we're diving into 10 daily habits that are silently speeding up aging. And trust me, you'll want to watch until the very end, because some of these might surprise you, and changing just one or two could shave years off how you look and feel. Let's begin with something we often wear like a badge of honor: not getting enough sleep. Maybe you're pulling late nights to finish work, binging shows, or scrolling endlessly on your phone. But here's the truth: when you skip out on quality rest, your body pays a steep price. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Your skin regenerates, your brain detoxifies, and your stress levels reset. When you cut that short, collagen production slows down, dark circles appear, and fine lines become deeper. Sleep deprivation even disrupts your hormones, particularly cortisol and insulin, which not only affect your mood and appetite, but also accelerate aging. Think about that. Every hour of lost sleep might be etching age into your skin and weakening your internal systems. So the next time you're tempted to stay up, ask yourself, is it worth trading your youth for one more hour of scrolling? And speaking of trade-offs, let's talk about something sweet, but sinister: sugar. Yes, we all love desserts, but the cost of that sugary indulgence goes far beyond your waistline. Excess sugar triggers a process in your body called glycation, which essentially binds sugar molecules to proteins like collagen and elastin. These proteins keep your skin firm and supple, but when they're damaged, skin becomes stiff, dull, and prone to wrinkles. What's worse, glycation isn't just skin deep. It impacts your organs, your blood vessels, and even your brain. It's aging you from the inside out. So every time you reach for that soda, that candy bar, or even healthy packaged snacks loaded with hidden sugars, know that you might be trading long-term vitality for short-term satisfaction. Now let's get real about a habit that still lingers in many lifestyles: smoking. You might think, I only smoke socially, or I've cut back a lot. But here's the harsh reality: even occasional smoking ages you rapidly. Tobacco smoke contains thousands of chemicals that reduce blood flow to your skin, breaking down collagen and depleting vitamin C, which your skin needs to repair itself. This leads to premature wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and a dull, weathered appearance. And let's not forget your internal health. Smoking damages your lungs, heart, and brain, and it speeds up the overall aging process at a cellular level. If you're still lighting up, ask yourself, are those few minutes of relief worth years off your life and vitality? But maybe you're not a smoker. You're more of a social drinker. That brings us to another aging habit we often normalize: drinking alcohol regularly. We get it, it's relaxing, it's fun, but your skin and liver might not agree. Alcohol is a powerful diuretic, meaning it dehydrates your body and your skin. Dehydrated skin loses elasticity and becomes more prone to fine lines. Over time, alcohol also causes inflammation, flushing, puffiness, and broken blood vessels on your face. But beyond vanity, alcohol messes with your sleep, your hormone regulation, and your liver function. And your liver is essential for detoxing your body. So when it's overworked, toxins build up, accelerating aging in ways you can't even see yet. You don't have to quit drinking entirely, but moderation is key, and hydration, before and after drinking, becomes your best defense. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now here's a silent but dangerous contributor to aging that most people forget about: skipping sunscreen. You might think, I don't spend that much time in the sun, or it's cloudy today, I'll be fine. But UV rays are always there, even through windows, even on overcast days, and they are responsible for up to 90% of visible signs of aging. That includes wrinkles, dark spots, sagging skin, and even skin cancer. What's happening on a cellular level is oxidative stress. UV radiation creates free radicals that damage your DNA and destroy collagen fibers. And once that damage is done, it's hard to reverse. So if you want to look younger, longer, start wearing broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. Yes, even indoors. It's one of the easiest and most effective anti-aging habits you can build, and yet it's one so many still overlook. Let's move from what's outside your body to how you carry it. Your posture, yes, the way you sit, stand, and even walk, can add years to your appearance. Slouching doesn't just cause back and neck pain. Over time, it reshapes your spine and gives you that hunched, aged look. Bad posture also affects your breathing, digestion, and energy levels. Think about it. When you carry yourself with confidence, upright and strong, you look more youthful and energized. But when you're hunched over your phone or laptop all day, your body literally folds in on itself. Good posture isn't just about looks. It's a long-term investment in your health and how people perceive your age and vitality. Now let's talk about something we've all felt, but few of us properly manage: chronic stress. We live in a high-speed, high-pressure world. Deadlines, notifications, endless to-do lists. But when your stress becomes a constant companion, it starts to age you on every level. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen, promotes fat storage, and suppresses immune function. It shortens your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that keep your cells young. Short telomeres equals faster aging. Plus, stress affects your sleep, your mood, your relationships, and even your skin, causing breakouts and inflammation. The fix isn't to eliminate stress completely. That's unrealistic. But learning to manage it through mindfulness, breathing exercises, daily walks, or just setting boundaries can protect your youth like nothing else. And while we're on the topic of inflammation, let's not forget the simplest yet most overlooked habit: not drinking enough water. Your body is made up of about 60% water, and when you're even slightly dehydrated, everything suffers: your energy, your focus, your digestion, and yes, your skin. Dehydrated skin appears dull, flaky, and fine-lined. You may even look older than you are simply because your cells aren't fully hydrated. Plus, proper hydration helps flush toxins from your system, supports kidney function, and keeps your joints healthy. You don't need fancy juices or detox teas, just pure, clean water. Now, think about how much time you spend sitting. At your desk, in your car, on the couch. A sedentary lifestyle is one of the fastest ways to age yourself prematurely. When you don't move regularly, your circulation slows, your muscles weaken, and your metabolism drops. This leads to weight gain, fatigue, and increased risk of age-related diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. Movement is literally life. You don't need to run marathons, but daily walks, stretching, or just standing up once an hour can make a huge difference. Your body was designed to move. The more you move, the younger you stay. And finally, let's shine a light, literally, on a modern aging threat: overexposure to screens and blue light. We're glued to our phones, laptops, and TVs. But this constant screen time doesn't just strain your eyes and disrupt your sleep, it also affects your skin. Blue light penetrates deeper than UVB rays and can damage skin cells, causing pigmentation, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. Combine that with poor sleep and digital fatigue, and you've got a recipe for faster aging. So now you know, aging faster isn't just about genetics or time. It's about the choices you make every single day. But here's the good news: every one of these habits can be changed. You have the power to slow down aging, to reclaim your energy, your glow, your confidence. It starts with awareness, and it continues with action. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.